What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to highlight text within Google Docs. So as you can see, I've already done so by highlighting some part of this text, and I'm going to show you how to do it and also do it with different colors. So you want to find the text that you want to highlight. So let's say I would like to highlight this name here, right? So all you have to do is just simply left click and drag over the portion of the text that you want to highlight, and then you want to click on this formatting arrow here. Let's say the text formatting arrow here, you want to use this pencil that says highlight color, and once you click on that, you have the different colors that you can use. Now the uppermost colors are the more neutral colors that you can use, and you can see the lighter colors that you can choose from, while these darker ones will not be able to show. So depending on the color of your text as well that you can choose. So if you're using a more darker color, this simply means that you want to put your text into white so that it shows, or if you're using black, you want to use something more light so that the contrast is good, right? So let's say I will use this color here. You can click on it, and as you can see, it is very nice. I'm going to do it for a little bit more longer text, and I will choose something else as well. If you have a look at this, you realize that you're not really able to see it, right? So I'm going to press Ctrl Z so that I undo it, and then I'm going to choose something much more lighter. So we can choose something like this, and as you can see, it looks much better. So that's all you basically do is, guys, by simple choosing highlighter to highlight the text to your liking. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.